prettiest vegetable is obviously the bell pepper. Totally.
Yeah, I don't know. What about the cauliflower?
Cauliflower looks like brains.
Yuck.
Ha! Y'all want to hear something wild? Cauliflower is not just good for you, it's particularly good for your brain.
Really, guys?
Oh yeah, broccoli too. Ain't that funny? They both kind of look like brains and they're chock full of stuff your brain loves.
That's weird. Very weird.
Another fun fact is that them beets over there, they may look brown on the outside, but when you cut into them, they're this deep reddish color. And wouldn't you know it, they're actually good for your blood.
That might be true, but the beets are the ugliest. Definitely the ugliest.
Wow, do you two ever disagree?
Oh no, never. Sometimes. What?
Uh-oh.
We don't disagree.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Our mom knows we're getting hungry when we start disagreeing.
Oh yeah, that's true. She does say that.
Well, being hungry can definitely make most folks disagreeable.
Well, I'm starting to get a little hungry myself. Are y'all both ready for a snack?
Definitely.
I just went to the grocery store, so I've got nuts, chips, you name. Teo,
Hello.
did you eat all the snacks?
Maybe?
Well, what are we gonna do now?
Hold on, let's see. We'll think of something. Let's see. What? Oh, we got all them veggies over there we could use.
Gus, I am not eating a raw cauliflower.
I don't care how healthy it is, I am not a zombie.
Well, then what were you two thinking?
I was thinking a cookie or a cupcake. No cookie.
No, cupcake.
Okay. Y'all just gave me an idea, and I think you're gonna like it. It's not a cookie or a cupcake. But it's inspired by both.
Huh?
But before we can get this party started, we gotta do a little ingredient check. Elise, how we doing on oat flour, whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder?
Should be good to go.
And what about chocolate chips?
Did you say chocolate chips?
Thankfully, I keep those in another cabinet. We're good.
It's a cooking show, it's a cooking show. So for today's snack time snack, we're gonna make something that I like to call, wait a minute.
What's wrong, guys?
Well, I just realized I don't have no name for it yet. I just came up with the thing like 45 seconds ago.
We'll help you name it. We love naming stuff.
Our dad lets us name our dog.
Oh, that's cool. What's your current dog's name?
Lobster!
Well, I guess depending on the particular puppy, Lobster could be the perfect name. I tell you what, why don't we just make these here beet muffins, and when we're done, we'll just let them tell us what they want to be named. Deal?
Deal!
All right, Miss Pam, you're going to want to go ahead and preheat to 350.
You got it.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these so-called ugly beets and we're going to give them a little makeover. Turn them into something beautiful. Are you ladies ready?
Yeah!
Drop the beet.
Yeah, press it. All right.
Ain't it pretty?
Wait, your cup. Got it.
Girl, you're a natural.
Just whisk it pretty fast so that it's all whiskey.
Do I have to take a big chunks? Is that good enough?
It's perfect.
You can do this one. So now you put a little bit of this in there while she does that.
And you can have the chocolate chips? No.
Okay, so put this.
It's going to get chunks like a little mist.
So to put.
I think, can we try it?
Oh yeah. You can have as many muffins as you want.
I'm gonna win the arm this time. Can I do this?
Alrighty, in about 25 minutes, these puppies will be ready.
25 minutes, that's a long time.
No, it's not. It'll fly by.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't. R not R2. R not R2. R not R2.
They're ready!
Oh, don't they just smell yummy? Now they need to cool off for just a little bit, so we can't eat them quite yet.
How long?
It'll take about 10 minutes.
Aww.
I have an idea. Don't let her psych you out. You got this, Ashley.
I would have put my money on Arlenis. So, what do you ladies think?
I can't believe it's this delicious and nutritious.
I like it.
Teo, you'd eat a tree if it had chocolate chips in it.
Did you say chocolate chips?
I guess now we just have to come up with a name for these. Any ideas?
I kind of like beet muffin. It's simple. Beet muffin.
Beet muffin.
Really? Beet muffin?
Elise's Word Show.